I am an Afropolitan. The studio, the Skumba, and the Hills, and the Robertses.
Why did he do that speech? Because, like, for once we were all lost. The oranges, the rivers, the trees. For the first time, the president was speaking alone. The other one can't count. The other one was just the rivers, the chairs, the buildings. My kids. Oh, sorry, I don't have one. My stepkids. What? I'm an African. Nice speech, by the way.
I'm all right, my brother.
Grand.
You're flying all over the place, eh? I'm following you. You're flying to Bloemfontein. You're flying to Cape Town.
I'm going to do for provinces in 2 days or 3 days.
There you go, my brother. Get the money.
But now, this is the thing, Prabhu. Who designed the curtain? You know that seat? You know when you have that seat just after the curtain?
Yeah, business class.
Yeah, business class. Mm-hmm. That's the worst seat ever. Yep. I've never been so annoyed in my life because I was the guy here. The conversations on the other side are the worst things ever. They talk about the stock exchange. It's like you and Stevie P. So what do you think about the oil and the rent? I don't know what's happening in this country, man. I think the whole thing is started by this. Hey, Baba, hey, and you can hear what they're eating. I was like, Kim. Coffee, yes, coffee, man. It's coffee. Yeah, is it cappuccino? Yes. This bastard has choices. Ngapa, Tina. Sorry, Bab. Chicken or beef? With chicken, but that's nice. Why do you want to from chicken and beef? You were treated bad this side of the curtain.
I had no idea that's what you guys go through.
I hate the woman that closes the curtain because she has that look of saying, if you guys worked harder, I mean, imagine ngoba niyasave nakho save anloku ke worst thing. Hey, you like it in cool. I was in Durban yesterday, Prabhu. I've never been so scared in my life.
Really scared?
Doing a show at the game reserve. I mean, I'm from Etembisa. I mean, the last time I went to the zoo, I was 7. That's the last time I saw a zebra. Ngale kwe-fence yasiyasidrayivela kahle ngithi imali bathi into ziyafana izebra lifasteri lami yasikhule ngingazimoshelanga izebra Bob isisu sami sashintsha ngizokuruka ngathi wena namhlanje ngiyamosha kule moto ngithi Apollo lento kanti giraffe ngathi nkulunkulu ngithathe manje if you comedy izongibonisa into sonke ukuyiyekela shem no ngicela uyorenka uma renka ke uyibona izebra uyibona izebra rekini ngoba rekini wara ngichange with hey angina 5 rand.
What would be the problem though with a zebra when let's go? What would you be afraid of?
Sorry, zebra. Hey, lendi yathusa leyana. It's not like you won every day, bro. It's like every popo where uhlangana nemfene What's your burger? Because you are used to these things. It's not like one day when lightning with I'm rich. It's not like I'm used to. It's not like it costs one moment. Oh, more it's not like intense joy. A zebra. Hey, call him I've never seen a zebra live, bro.
All you see is dogs.
Zip in us, almost chase a mod. Listen, just eat two cars. Nazas one good. Nazas one of those cool must Antoine. I'm not Zwile, I'm a tambo, I'm a soap. I'm not Zwile, Joe. Poison I sang in the young Tumulis. Hey. Oh, how long senses in his inch? It's a matter say 2 cents and Jan. Come on with David Callis, I kill the Somis, but
no, man.
I said peace. Man, no. Let's we have got 2 dogs at Kaslam, 2. Then one goes.
The whole of Tembisa.
No, I don't know about other cousins, but I know 2 dogs. And I'm going to sport you, no problem. There's no point in Donna. I'm a speedy boy. All is just crewing at my panting. And Antoine, ya kumbulu Mr. Truck. Ya Lula. Lapon Jaya, I'm beginning selling you one. kanti hayi sisonke hello khumutsa hey congratulations you won an award too. And you decided not to do it. Your head decided okay me no you know that's going to say like bicarbonate soda yaqala when has done hlanga kanje that's why buses are colliding you hairstyle whether you won an award good people are stuck in traffic. This is unfair. People are stuck in traffic when you win. So the reason why you won is because people are stuck in traffic. Oh, kumsabanya ma award fana bonika banya ba adisem. Wena banika chela ma award. Yini simi traffic in. Wena umela uthi ya vele nimile lapho. Ukuma kwenu kwina kwani imani lapho.
No traffic, no job.
Kumutso. Anyhow wena uthi I can't believe I won. You can't believe you won. Bocaba ngani wena? Imoto zimile vele.
I was about to win.
You're supposed to win, like okay. When Ubani was here often the traffic emini or winning award. Umvangel was there, crossing his fingers in his voice like. Taking this thing. Cheraki look at ve. Cheraki na voice grof look at vele say touch. Angadi voice telelan. Vele ya touch. You don't understand this. This thing is gonna change my life. Eh? I win this award. This thing, the whole thing has changed. When you're back with Ushem, I would see Boruetala. Who do you know that does traffic during the day and won an award for traffic? There's no traffic, I mean. Who's winning award? But the old thing say, yeah, cars are moving. Robots are not working, but it's not a problem. When next saying there's a collusion, there's this and that. Ooh, very angry at you.
My first, my last, my everything. This is your song, your freedom songs, Kumba. Why is that? You got to take us through this story because we're celebrating Freedom Day.
First of all, it could operate right. Was Kumbuzo shop. Hey. But first, last, and everything. Sometimes Mpilweni is bigger move up, sometimes when it's bigger pambili, sibe happy Mpilweni. So this song, like for me, it puts me there mentally, bro. I'm free. I can do whatever I want. And sharp. I can make myself happy before I make you, Kuli, and everyone else that is listening happy. I mean, I'm happy, bro. I'm a happy.
Do you do that with your kids as well?
My kids are happy. My kids, when they see me, they see Spider-Man.
That it is.
But that's that they are free and which is good, right. I want my kids to grow up and be nothing like me.
It's so, you know, it is so, I don't know what the word would be, but hearing you speak seriously, it's just so unbelievable.
Yeah, I'm not serious, like it's sad to see I'm a pastor chasing so, but it's the first, eh? When was the last time when you saw taxi drivers in an accident and they said the taxi driver died? They're always there to tell the story. But I'm not the taxi driver. 15 people died and I got a scratch. Prayer. I keep phone. Full mechanic. Spirit. Hey, England. I beg a bonding. You know, be naughty. Fang up. I got promise. I bring I up. Ngelang ubulele 44 yabantu 44 one day endlini mambuzo bangena emsebenzini hayi okujwayelekile okujwayelekile vela abathaba sheba bondile basheba abaye bangena emfuleni basuke bake bashona wena unjani baba lo nje vela athinya nje inyawo awuna ibhiya yami la lethi inyama emetonga nje lapho fufu ekseni mathole load asekuseni ngibeke yona yesibili ke ngizabona ukuthi ngenzani ngayo makuvumela ngiyashaya ebondeni la Themba isilotho mina ngithemba isilotho ke angangenda umuntu ingani ukuthi abantu bangafaka impahla ezinkulu ukuthi mabashayisa uva ngathi bafaka ama life jacket mina ngiphela empilo nami ngizwa umsebenzi umsebenzi wakho ukufa ifaka ngife mina ufelani fela bani nje ngiyaqhuba la nje ngoDisemba odlule babathi kufa abantu abo 6000 u4000 wami ngedwa mali baphatha nje ngafunga bhatalanga ayiza phe ngaphambi kwami ngimbulala nje lo Hang khona khona. Noma sizokhuluma fast ngekwenza ngekho.
That's true.
Ungophi? Saphila. Obavalile. Hayi phuma ngibabulala lapha. Aniza nihlele taxini. Simangafika eNewcastle. Angeke ufike. Nifike eNewcastle. Hayi ufike eNewcastle. Phuma mfowethu ngapha enzansi. Yena ngihamba ngenyawo ngoba ikhombi ngibulala ikhombi ngibulala.
Fake bonde.
Ushaya bondeni. Osendile yena. Okay bro. Ngoba ubambuza. eTV news. So what happened? Obuza mina. Nawo uphuke nyabuza. Bembe ziphuzela imbiza yami mina into ngishilo mfazi endlini. Ngiphuza imbiza ukuthi ngiqine. Umuntu uthule uqine. Anje mfowethu utophamisa amehlo hawula libhasi. Ngathi lotho. Le bhasa le ngivele ngemva kwalo. Ayibhlik. Ukuthi ngimtshalile ungobe sothi ayibhlik lento. Ayishaya ke ibhasi. Ayishaya ibhasi bekungaphandle ngibabukele. Bandizaka labantu. Phuma bandizaka bonke baphansi phezulu. Fika ambulance nje ngiyibukele la. Bangibuza ukuthi kwenza ngicingeze laphi. Ngoba ngiphuzela impizami.
Uthi ubona umoya waphuma.
Uthi ngibona ibhasi kodwa angaphuma la. Base badizaka abantu bayi bamemezaka abanye babiza umama bawa ngihle nje mina ubhemile imboza yami lo nyadlala
You are lucky you have a car. There is no taxi you are going to get into.
Ngeke nalo bantu lo uza hlala phambili ufuna uqala kushone wena futhi nekhanda elikhulu vele ufeka baseyana